Good morning, Dave here with Organic Gardening in North Carolina. It is June the 18th and Ross wanted me to do a video on my fig tree. So I will get out of the way and show you my fig tree. Okay, this is my fig tree that has produced the most. It's been in the ground here probably, well, this is the second winter that it's come through. So I think I planted it in the fall before that. Right now it's about 5 feet tall. This tree, I did not protect it this winter, and it made it through perfectly fine. I didn't see any dieback at all on it, which is amazing because the other ones I protected and they did have some dieback. Alright, so I do not know what variety this is. You can see the leaves here are some of them are shaped one way and some are shaped another way. If I had to guess, I would guess Celeste, because say 90% of the figs in North Carolina are Celeste. But who knows? Let's see, here are some figs that are starting to form. There's actually quite a few figs starting to form on this. And last year I had 2 that I was able to get off this tree, and they turned brown and they had a nice flavor. If you look back in my fig video list, you'll be able to see that video that I took of us eating our first figs. But yeah, there's a lot of figs on here. Or I think it's a lot. I mean, I'm not an experienced figger, but also I've been getting a lot of supporters who are not necessarily gardeners, so people that might not know about figs. So let me just talk about figs for a second here. They are a Mediterranean crop, so they do like the heat, which is why they grow so well in North Carolina, I would think. But there are thousands of varieties. Mine are all unknown. Let's see, what else can I say? Oh, so yeah, they are Mediterranean. So I'm in zone 7B, USDA zone 7B, which the lowest it gets around here is about 0 degrees in the winter. And fig trees can handle that, or there are varieties that are more hardy that can go to zones even colder than this. Also, it's a good idea to plant them on a south-facing wall of your house. You can plant them close to your house. Some people say you have to worry about the foundation, but other people say you don't have to worry about the foundation. But put them close to your house helps them to absorb the heat that bounces off your house, and also the foundation will store the heat at night and can help get them through the colder winters. But that being said, I think Ross lives in Pennsylvania, and most of his figs though are in containers that he can pull inside in the winter and then put outside in the summer. And actually doing that, they get figs earlier than the figs that I can grow in the ground here. But from this stage where these little figlets are just starting to form, it's supposed to be about 90 days until you'll be harvesting the fruit. So yeah, I've been getting a lot of new supporters from hashtag I am a creator community. If anybody wants to be growing your YouTube channel, I recommend you would check that out. I will go ahead and put links to that in the description when this video is live and when I have a chance to do that. Alright, I think that's about all I wanted to say on this. If any of you veteran figgers have any thoughts on this, please leave a comment in the a comment below. Remember to comment and subscribe and rate the video. I appreciate it. Alright, thanks for watching. Have a blessed day.